This review is of Wholesome organic blue cornbread mix with organic fair trade honey. It's USDA organic, non-GMO, fair trade certified ingredients, kosher, so it's safe for Jews and Muslims, certified organic by QAI, certified 20% fair trade for the ingredients. Okay, and here's the blurbs and in the instructions. Nutrition facts. For 1/16 of a package, 90 calories, which would be 27 grams. So 90 calories, a half a gram of fat, no cholesterol, about 270 milligrams of sodium, 20 grams of carbs, 1 gram of dietary fiber in that, but there's also 6 grams of sugar and 2 grams of protein. And the ingredients, I'm going to make this the vegan way. Hopefully that'll work out just fine. If you go for the prepared portion, 160 calories, 7 grams of fat, of which 4.5 are saturated, 30 milligrams of cholesterol, 350 milligrams of sodium, 21 grams of carbs, of which 1 is dietary fiber, and 7 are sugars, 6 of which are added, and 3 grams of protein. So let's see, is there anything I should point out? It uses both cane sugar and honey. And of course they had to put in the stupid salt. All right, well, I almost forgot. There's also a little blue blurb here. And inside there is a $1.50 coupon for any one Wholesome product. Yeah, and it comes with a thing of honey and the mix. Hold on. Okay, it's all cooked up, nice and toasty hot, fresh out of the oven. So I can hopefully not burn my tongue. No, I had to do substitutions and stuff, so I'm not expecting it's going to be exactly the same, but it sure smells good. Since I had to use vegan eggs, or egg substitute, it's a bit crumblier than I might hope for, but otherwise it tastes really, really good. Oh, it said to use salted butter. So I was going to use some salted margarine, but it was too salty, and it went ahead and used virgin olive oil, extra virgin, and it worked out really well, and it's better for you than butter or margarine. So I'm gonna give this an 8.5. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.